Touchdown.
Good day in my mind, if you take a step out, get some air now, let your head out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the?
What's up, everybody? My name is marchiondajbi. Welcome back to my channel. Today you'll be watching me install Sensational Butta Lace Wig Unit 16 in the color Flamboyage Blonde. So right here, I'm just showing you what the wig is looking like. This is what it looks like straight out the pack on my head. I really love the tone and color of this hair. It's really pretty. So I'm just pinning the hair back because I'm about to get ready to cut the lace. So here I'm just cutting the extra lace above the ear. Now I'm going to cut the lace into 3 sections. To install this wig, I'm going to be using Ebin Wonderlace Spun Spray. So I'm spraying that on, letting it dry down, and then I'm going to spray some more. And I do that on all sides. I'm going to put an elastic band on, and I'm going to let this sit for maybe about 5 minutes, just so it can set in place. Alright, taking that elastic band off, now it is time to cut the lace of the wig. I'm going to be using this eyebrow razor to cut the lace, and I just take my time with that. So I'm gonna use some micellar water just to clean up around the edges of the wig, whatever was left over from the hairspray. So here I'm just going to separate out the edges of the wig. So I'm just concealing the lace a little bit just so it'll match my skin tone more. I'm just going to spray one more time and I'm going to tie it down. Right, so here I'm getting ready to cut the hair. I'm going to use this wax stick just to lay down any hairs that are, flying up. I want everything to lay down smoothly and flat. Now I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to hot comb the hair just to lay it down a bit flatter. So now I'm going to go ahead and shape the edges. And to lay the edges down, I'm using Got To Be gel in the black bottle. This is what the hair is looking like now, and this is what the hair is looking like after I take that elastic band off. I let it sit for a little while. So now I'm just going to comb the hair out a bit, and then I'm going to flatten it again with that hot comb. So here I'm just brushing the hair out a little bit more, styling it. It's really pretty. It's really not tangling a lot. I just got to get it in place and how I want it. But as far as tangling, the hair is really, really good. Now I'm just hot combing the hair a little bit more, just to get it to the flatness that I want. My thoughts on the hair is really smooth and it doesn't tangle much. I really, really love the color. It's really, really pretty and full. So if you love a wig that's full and voluminous, this is the wig for you. This is the final result. Please like, comment, and share this video. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all next time.